So I just received my new Raspberry Pi. So let's see how we can get Gravio, the IoT software, on it.
I bought this from Connected on Amazon. So let's get started.
Now we can go and connect it to the TV, so we can basically configure it. You need a keyboard for that, USB keyboard, and then let's configure it and connect it to the Wi-Fi. So now I have connected the Raspberry Pi up, put in the SD card. Now I can switch it on, connect it to a TV and to a, the red light comes on, to a screen and to the keyboard, USB keyboard. So let's see how it boots up. So this is booting up into the GUI, so I'm going to choose that. And then we choose a Wi-Fi. Then I type I for install. Yes.
That's very good.
Log in with P as a user. Raspberry is it. So as a first step, I recommend to change the password. I'll do that using password SSWD. Go. So now with that, then you can do rasp config. Oh, that's probably sudo. You want to change the host name. You want to use this SSH. So you can log in via SSH from another computer. And you just run an update. Right, so let's restart. So here, that's the important part. You see the IP address, 10.48.1.105. We will use this to log in from my computer and continue installing Gravio from there. Now let's log into the Raspberry Pi using the IP that we have seen. Yes. The password that you just set. Now I'm going to download the Gravio Debian package, which you can get from www.gravio.com. Products. Download the Gravio server here. The Raspberry Pi. So now what we do is you right click and then copy link, and then we go here and then we say wget and then the link. So it downloads the Debian package. Then you can go to gravio.com, which is the documentation. And you can download here, you can search for Raspberry. So there's instructions how to install it in Raspberry. Make sure you have the latest packages. Once that's installed, you can use the command sudo apt install Gravio. So it will have a few dependencies. Great. So the next step is we need to enable the service. Very good. So let's wait a few minutes for the Raspberry to come back up. And when it's back up, it's ready to be used. In the meantime, I can launch Gravio Studio. So I log in with my Gravio Studio account. Here I can see all my servers. So let's add the new Raspberry. Right, here it is. You can open it. And of course, at the moment there's nothing set up. It's a blank Gravio server instance. I'll show you shortly how we can connect the dongle and then also the sensors to it so we can get started with everything.